Haka jingpan krek ki seng san partai banya ai reng haka election MDC haka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat Jainte Hills Autonomous District Council kaban salong haka arpoi trek urempang araja arpusan Menteri rangba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma u badairu u National President kan National People's Party ulapan pau bosngos Skhem baka NPP kan sayo Jingjop na baro artli ki election. Ya kani Menteri rangba ulapan pau haka jengalang pajba ke NPP haka arpusan tarik ukala lengkot araja arpusan kat ba udang yalap election na kabentau kurtong ke parti uba mandilos nombri kabela long haka snong panchering langrin ranikor constituency. Hapa Kren sekilat pathai kubor u Conrad uloang baki dak kisien baka seng kala yo ya ka jubab naki pajba ka long ka babaha bat bun naki kertong ru ki yo jingkersan ka bapura hamman laki constituency. Haba benrap yakani ula kentu ya ki kertong baki daiban treshitam bat ukurman Skhem bada ka jingkersan ki pajba bat ka jingker khu blai ken sayo ya ka jingjop.
Campaign has started and we are getting very positive response. Lot of our candidates have a lot of support at the constituency level, and even today you can see the kind of response that we are getting. So as a party we are very confident that we will win this election. I'm getting tremendous response from everywhere. Of course, I've always maintained that we can't take things for granted and we have to work as a party. Our candidates have to work hard, but I'm very sure with the blessing of the people and with the blessing of Almighty, we will come out successful in both Jainte Hills and Khasi Hills.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.